gate. Mag-alala. Di ko ipipilit sa'yo. Sarado mo! Oy! Kahit naliligaw, ulitin sa'yo. I found the love for me. For me. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, thank you for watching. How are ya? Di mapagkalikan, di ka nakikita. Bakit kasi galing ka sa iba? Sana ay maghihintay din sa'yo at mahal. Pwede kita di magbabago. Thank you 11 people. Hope you hit the likes. Thank you 17 people in the house. Thank you so likes. Thank you po. Hi Udex. Udex. Hi, thank you Udex. Thank you 20 people. Hi, girls, Mansilo. Hi. Good. Hi, Danielle Gonzalez. Do you know why people are... It's okay. You know what? I don't mind if if people don't like me, so it's fine. No worries. Your life, you choose your role. Your life, your role, you choose something like that. If you don't like that the people, just scroll down, just and ignore something like that. No need to toxic anything, something like that. Your choice. Thank you. Hi, Sir Jake. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Sir Tom. Alvin Lebre. Hi, Sir Alvin. It is what is funny. So funny. Hi Wellington. Hi po. Joshua. Hi. Hi Jess. Thank you. Thank you so much, Jess. How are you? Thank you, Jess. I saw your video of dad being carried into the water. It looked like he enjoyed the water. Yes, I hope. Maybe he enjoyed like a sea, salt sea bath therapy, something like that. Mike say that my father needs a sea bath. It's good for my father condition because my father is sick. So Mike suggests something like that. Hi Mufan. Hi from Dubai. Hi Mufan from Dubai. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you, Jess. Thank you for. Thank you, Jess. Nog Nog Ramos. Hi Nog Nog. Thank you. Hi po. Po. Sorry. Saan darating ng mga salita? Gagawin sa aming dalawa. Hi Sir Chris, good evening to me. Good evening to me Sir Chris and good morning to you. Thank you Sir Chris. Good evening to me, good evening. Good evening to me. Thanks, Sharon. Welcome. Sleep well. Thank you, Nog Nog. Yes, I sleep well. Later, not yet. I sleep later. Hi, Ate. Hi. Hi, Jason Abelgas. Hi, Jason Abelgas. Jason Abelgas. Hello. Hello. Remember? What remember? What do you mean, Nog Nog? Tomorrow. Naka-ano kasi. Naka-translation kasi. What do you mean, Nog Nog? What? Tomorrow. What do you mean, tomorrow? Taga saan ka? Philippines. Taga Philippines. Sabi ko, ingat. Salamat. Salamat, Nog Nog. Ikaw din ingat. Good night. Ano ba yun? Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Thank you so much. 12 people in the house. Filipina, yes, I'm Filipina. Good night then. Thank you, Nog Nog. Ingat. Medyo pantok. Nagpapantok. Thank you, Jess. Thank you so much. Sorry. Saan ka ngayon? Sa Philippines. Nakatira sa Philippines. Shout out mo naman ako, Valenzuela. Hi, Jason Abelgas from Valenzuela. Hi to you from Valenzuela, Jason Abelgas. Shout out to you. Hi, Moreneta Hermosa. How are you? I'm fine. How about you? Huh? Mara. Fine. Hi, Jeff Kito. Hi, Sir Jeff. Hindi. Engaged na ako. I'm engaged, Jason. Look. I'm engaged. Sorry. Okay po. Okay. Sumsum. Mas, I'm sexy and I know it. My God. Wow. Yeah, you know it. Thank you for it, people. I'm sexy and I know it. She didn't even see what you wrote, Miss. Yeah. Okay, Ate, good night, sweet dreams. Love you. Thank you, Jess. And good night. Thank you, Jess. Must be respectful to our lovely host or leave. Thank you so much. Thank you, Jess. Thanks a lot. Oh my God, sorry, I fall sleepy na. I need to go to sleep na. Thank you so much. Thank you, JS. Thank you, Sir Tom. What else? Thank you, friends here, to those who joined the live. Thank you, Sir Chris. God bless. I need to go to sleep na. I feel sleepy na. Bye-bye. Thank you, Sir Jess. Sir. Thank you, Jess. Oh my. Thank you so much. God bless you and your jowa. Sleep well. Thank you, Sir Court. Bye-bye.